Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you are back in my kitchen with me today. We're gonna make something very simple, very easy. All these ingredients, but simple still. You're gonna need I say a high-speed blender, but you could use just a regular blender. I'm using my Vitamix. You first need a half a cup of applesauce. And this is unsweetened applesauce. You can either make it or I use Mott's unsweetened. If you've got a favorite, use that. 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Did I tell you the name? Did I say the name?
You didn't say what you're going to make.
Okay. I'm making, the name of this is just applesauce vinaigrette, and it's very delicious. And I like it, and maybe you'll give it a try and you might like it as well. So we did the maple syrup, and we need 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar that goes in. And then I also do 2 tablespoons of water. You got that, huh? Berta J is not perfect. And then 2 tablespoons of balsamic. This is 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, your favorite, whichever that is. Then we're going to start with the spices. The first one is 2 teaspoons of miso. I use a light miso, always use a light miso. A half a teaspoon of cumin. I don't know if you say cumin or cumin, but either way. And I know you're probably thinking, there's a lot of different flavors in there. It's very good. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Now here's the kicker. You're going to use 2 teaspoons of mustard. Now if you love Dijon, use 2 teaspoons of that. But I have 2 other mustards I like. I use yellow, and then it's just a stone ground mustard. I use a teaspoon of each. So 2 teaspoons of your favorite prepared mustard. 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Now that's not much, but it's enough to bring all the flavors together. And the last is, I do 16 turns of this, which is almost an 1/8 of a teaspoon, but not quite. Put the lid on, blenderize it till it's nice and smooth, and you are done. This is a salad dressing, so it goes very well on salad, but you could put it on other things if you would like just vegetables and greens and things like that. And get yourself a rinsed out container. That's what I did. My favorite dressing is Italian. I like Italian dressing. But most of them have oil in them to bring the flavors together and then to emulsify with just dripping in the oil. But this has none of that. And it's very, very tasty. I know it tastes good, so I'm just gonna taste it right now. It's just good. Kind of reminds you of an Italian dressing. But it's a little bit more vinegary, and there is a little bit of a sting from the 16 turns of the black pepper, but it's not much. I think you'll like it too if you give it a try. Applesauce vinaigrette, delicious on your salad and other vegetables. I don't know how it tastes on like burgers and things like that, but it does taste good on salad and vegetables, okay? That's the end of the video. That's it. I'm back and I'm so glad to be here. And this dressing should be one that's simple enough, easy enough for you to make so that you can have it for the holidays or any other time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And leave me some comments below. Don't forget to leave me some comments below. Don't forget the smile troopers. Remember, this is the year of the smile. Never know what kind of response you will get when you smile at somebody. Bye for now.